What's up everyone? Today it's going to be a home repair video slash home upgrade. You can find it in the playlist. There's a bunch of other stuff related to this kind of stuff. Anyway, we have two locks, both made by Baldwin. I don't know if this is actually a good brand, but I do have it in my garage, so it's alright. It's worked so far. It's like it just feels like it's made of high quality stuff. This one's the Deadbolt, right? So I actually bought the same series. This one's the Prestige series, and I got it in silver, sort of. I'm not sure if it's actually called silver, but it looks silver enough to me. Actually, there should be a... It's called satin nickel finish. Okay. That should pop off. And there's a little spring, actually. It looks like it secures this in place. Alright, so here's the deadbolt part of it. I'm going to find the actual deadbolt. You can adjust its length depending on what kind of door you have. I'm replacing that doorknob right there. It's been there for I don't know how long, too long. Time to replace it. It comes with keys. We're going to see if it rotates the lock. And indeed it does. And yeah, without it, it won't rotate. Good. So the keys work. I will be programming it with my smart key. It comes with some screws. Good. A new plate for the deadbolt to go through, basically like that. That'll go on the door frame. So a new smart key, good. And these screws which are to hold this to this. Right, so unboxing of this is done. Good. Now, as to not confuse the parts between the two, I'm going to make two distinct piles of what is what. Deadbolt will go over there. Actually, this goes over here. Like that, so the two bolts go through. And then here's the handle. I got a knob actually because if you look up, there's that shade that goes down, and then that knob, the handle here has always knocked into the shade. So now we're going with a knob so that it won't do that anymore. So it comes with, looks like two identical knobs. Some kind of tape on it. They feel very heavy, which means it's high quality. Let's see, can I find the... Oh, it was up here. Some sort of tape on it. Perfect. They do feel like and sound like they're made of solid metal. Good. Here is the latch that hits the door and holds it in place. Good. Never sure what this was for, but okay. The keys, we're gonna, and the lock assembly. I'm gonna actually stick the key in there. Oh, look at that. You can see the pins actuating. Like, engaging. And indeed it works. Why wouldn't it? Include this little thing, so you get this little Allen key. so you can secure the doorknobs in place. As you see that shoot, it's not working. We'll figure that one out later. And of course you have the I don't know, thing you turn. Anyway, here's the plate that goes on the wall and the screws that hold the two things together. The two halves together. Alright. I don't know how to name these things, and that's okay. I don't know why this thing is so ugly. Did they put the plate on reverse? Oh, they did! Oh, I see. It's just very oily. Let me get a paper towel. Okay. So it's actually not what you're going to be seeing. It actually looks like that. The thing that contacts that actually sits on the door itself. The latch, I should call it, is this. Okay, so it doesn't look that bad. Alright, on to the important thing. The door itself. So, first step, obviously, is to remove the old one. That's different for everyone, so I'm going to be doing a time lapse on that. Alright, we leave off with this plate here. It goes over here. Yes, this one does fit. As shown in the video, not sure if you could tell by my hand motions, the one on top didn't fit. Probably because this was proprietary to my house. It just came with it. And I don't know if anyone makes one of this size, because the new one is actually quite small. Alright, let's install this one. It's okay, they're a different color. Oh shoot, my hand's blocking most of the camera. Hang on. Alright, that looks better. Alright, it's good. Actually, I'm going to remove this for a reason. Kind of want to clean it. Since I'm fixing the door itself, well, at least changing out the doorknobs, I'm going to, I should use my drill for this. You know what, 1 second, I'm going to clean this. Okay, here's the door. It's very clean now. There's nothing on it. Alright, now it's time to install the latch. This goes here. We don't need to extend it, although it does have the option to be extended, as you can see. I don't believe we need to. Let's see. Yep, perfect. Okay, let's mount this. You need 2 screws. I prefer using longer ones that were included. Ooh, it's getting quite hard to do that. Good, one's done. Yes, it is. Alright, now, obviously this side is on the inside, the other one's on the outside. So now my question is, which way does the keyway go? Actually, let me check on my other one. Hold up. Actually, just figured out something. It can only go one way, and that's this way, where this metal bar is. It has to line up with with that metal piece that's already inside. Right like that. It's kind of like a half circle thing. Okay, and so does this, so it can only be installed one way. Okay, can be twisted, it's good. Now that can hold on its own. We're going to be just leaving the screws here for now. 1 and 2. Alright, let's take out the drill, start. Good, let me just see if it's balanced. Alright, looks good. Tighten it down the rest of the way. For this one, actually, since I can see the screws, I won't want to damage them how they look. So, tighten the rest of the hand. Problem is, when you use a drill to tighten it, all you hear is the drill's motor. You don't actually know how much force is being put there. Right, time to install the handles. There's one. And it definitely works, so that's good. Okay, now it's time to use the little tool they've included. Stick it in the side of it, and then twist. Okay, it doesn't come off. Good. Now, same for the other side. Line it up. Hold up. I just discovered a security feature on this thing. In order to remove the handle, the door must be unlocked. This is good because if anyone with this tool comes up to your door, they can actually access the pins of your lock and then open it. So that's a good security feature, that you can't remove the handle without having the door unlocked. So no wonder the Allen key wouldn't open it. Good. Works. Let's see if we can use the key that comes with it to lock it. Indeed, yes. Okay. We'll leave it unlocked for the purpose of the video for now. Okay, in case so I don't lock myself out on accident. Good. Now it's time to install the deadbolt. Okay, there's a little thing here that says up, the little text. So that will be up. Uh-oh. One problem I'd like to note, it might not be tall enough. Oh, it is. Okay, good. Never mind, we're all good. However, I'd like to remove it and clean off all the wood shavings. Alright, it looks good. Now, should a little force slide right in. There. It's good. Now, cut open the little bag of screws they include. Dump out the screws. And start tightening it. But first, to make this simple, I'm going to close it. I'm going to close the deadbolt. Good. Now, use the drill to do the rest. Good. Now, like I said, I'm going to hand tighten the rest of it. Alright, it's good enough. Now it's time to get this ready. There you go, slide it through there. Although there was one more piece I forgot. This. All right. Now this is the piece that you turn from the inside to lock and unlock your door. Obviously. Now, let's see. Good, it works, sort of, for now. Now we need to just... Hang on. Where is it? There were... Here they are. Two screws with pretty short threads go here. These actually hold the two halves, or actually sandwich it to the door. That's essentially their purpose, to sandwich it to the door. Hang on, move the thing closer. So I'm actually holding onto it from the outside. Don't forget, it might fall off, which would then scratch the surface of the lock, and it won't look good. And these locks aren't cheap. I'll actually leave a link in the description. Sorry if I said it a bit late. That I'll leave it in the description. Okay, almost. Okay, looks a lot better. Now let's just see if the door will close. Indeed it does. That looks good. So it's mostly installed. I just got to clean off that plate over there. Currently I'm soaking it in isopropyl alcohol just to get rid of the paint because I don't have any paint thinner. So that's just what I use for now. So that's most of it. Might include a clip of me reinstalling the plate for here, because if you kick the door hard enough, this part's going to break off. That plate is supposed to help secure it to the other piece of wood on the outside. So even if you kick the door hard enough, it's going to hold on for just a little longer. But yeah, that's sort of it. I don't know. When that's done... Oh yeah, one more thing. I'd like to reprogram the locks so that they can use the same key. Because currently, let's see, they use different keys. Let's see if the key works, actually. This one should be for the bottom one, and yeah, that works. Now let's leave it unlocked. And this one for the top one, for the deadbolt. See if it works. Yes, it does. So we now know we can reprogram it. Alright, let's get that little smart key out. There is a pretty complicated set of instructions how to use it, but we'll read through it together. The last time I used this was like 2 years ago. Oh, it fell down. But let me go grab the key I want to program. The first one is to insert the old key, turn it 90 degrees, insert the smart key, remove the smart key, then remove the original key, insert the new key, and then turn it back 90 degrees counterclockwise. And then do not remove the key, it says, and then test if it works. Okay, easy enough. Let me go grab the key, and we're going to reprogram these two locks. Okay, let's reprogram this. So, they said, well, here's the master keys I'm going to be programming to this door. They said turn it 90 degrees. That's 90. Insert the smart key all the way. Hang on, what else did it say? Insert it all the way. Remove the smart key. And then remove the original key. Alright? Now, insert the new key all the way. Okay? And then turn it counterclockwise 90 degrees. Don't remove it. And test if it works. Looks to work. We have successfully reprogrammed one of the locks. So I'm going to remove it now and test it again. And yes, it does. Good. So one lock reprogrammed. Let's do the other one. So turn it 90 degrees, and the smart key's hole would be on the other side. Pressed in all the way. Now remove the original key. insert the new master key, really, and then twist it back 90 degrees. Test if it works. It doesn't lock and unlock it, which is good. And I'll remove it and try it again. Good. So now this would work. Great. So that is how you reprogram a smart key lock. Well, I'll see if I include that clip about me reinstalling the new and cleaned door plate thing. Well, at least for the Deadbolt. One more thing I'd like to mention is the fact that now this doesn't interfere with this. So that means I can lift this and close it actually quite nicely. So it looks good, well, better than the old one. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If I include that clip. Sorry, I keep mentioning it. I built up about putting this plate back. We're finally gonna do it. So look how clean it is. It's very clean now compared to just a few minutes ago. Stick that there for now. Notice how I'm replacing the shorter screws with longer ones, just for more, added security or something. So they are also kind of bigger. I have to hold on to it. Switch it to low gear. Uh-oh. Do more of it by hand. It is completely stuck. Wow. I guess we're gonna go back to using those short ones. Guess I wouldn't call it added security, more I would call it added like complications. Alright. Oh yeah, I didn't even tighten that. Alright, here's the smaller ones. And here's the top one. These are actually the original ones. Whoa, I accidentally pressed the trigger. Should always put it on safe mode. Unless you know you're ready to press it. Alright, there's one. That one was easy. Great, it's reinstalled. And it looks, well, a lot better. A lot cleaner, definitely. Alright, there it is. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time.